Experience the warm, comforting flavors of pumpkin curry paired with tender, flaky white fish. You'll need pumpkin coconut milk red curry paste, garlic, ginger, spices, and your favorite white fish like cod, haddock, or tilapia. Start by sautéing garlic and ginger until fragrant, then stir in red curry paste for a burst of flavor. Add diced pumpkin, coconut milk, and simmer until the pumpkin turns soft and golden. Place in the white fish fillets and let them gently poach in the fragrant curry. Top with fresh cilantro, a squeeze of lime, and serve with steamed rice or crusty bread. A beautiful balance of sweet, spicy, and savory. This is comfort food at its finest. Try this pumpkin curry with white fish tonight and fill your table with warmth and flavor. Indulge in the ultimate comfort food, creamy, savory chicken fettuccine. Alfredo that's as rich in flavor as seed is easy to make. We start with tender strips of chicken breast seasoned to perfection, then seared until golden. Next, butter and garlic create the fragrant base for our silky Alfredo sauce. Heavy cream and fresh Parmesan blend together for that irresistible creamy texture. Finally, we toss al dente fettuccine with the sauce, adding the juicy chicken back in for the perfect finish. Serve it hot sprinkle with fresh herbs and savor every decadent bite of chicken fettuccine Alfredo. Craving juicy, melt-in-your-mouth steak without all the fuss? Let's make crock-pot garlic butter steak bites tender, flavorful, and so easy you'll wonder why you didn't try it sooner. Pat the steak cubes dry with paper towels. Season generously with salt and pepper. In a small bowl, mix melted butter, minced garlic, Worcestershire sauce, thyme, and rosemary. Place the steak cubes in the crock pot. Pour the garlic butter mixture over the steak and toss to coat. Cover and cook on low for 4 or 5 hours or high for 2-3 hours until steak is tender. Garnish with fresh parsley. Serve over mashed potatoes, rice, or with crusty bread to soak up the garlic butter sauce. Try these garlic butter steak bites tonight and taste the magic. Craving a burger with a twist? These salmon smash burgers are about to be your new favorite. Start by seasoning fresh salmon with garlic, onion, lemon zest, and herbs. Form into patties, then smash them down on a hot skillet for that perfect crispy edge. As they cook, baste with a little butter and let that golden crust build up. Layer your patties on a toasted bun with creamy dill sauce, fresh lettuce, tomato, and pickles. Every bite is juicy, zesty, and loaded with omega-3 goodness. Skip the ordinary, make salmon the star of your burger night. Follow for more delicious recipes you'll love. Want a meal that's rich, flavorful, and melt-in-your-mouth delicious? Try this stick of butter steak and rice comfort food at its best. To make this mouth-watering stick of butter steak and rice, you'll need tender cuts of steak, a stick of butter, uncooked rice, beef broth, and your favorite seasonings. Simple ingredients that come together for big flavor. Start by seasoning your steak generously with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Sear it in a hot pan until it's beautifully browned on the outside. Don't worry if it's not fully cooked through, it will finish cooking with the rice. Next, place your rice in a baking dish. Add the seared steak pieces on top, then pour in beef broth for its flavor. And here's the star of the recipe. A full stick of butter, sliced and spread evenly over the top. Cover the dish with foil and bake until the rice is fluffy and the steak is tender. As it bakes, the butter melts into the rice, creating a savory, buttery flavor that's absolutely irresistible. Fluff up the rice, add a sprinkle of parsley or green onions, and serve hot. Each bite is buttery, savory, and comforting, the perfect family dinner or weekend treat. If you love easy and flavorful meals, save this recipe and try it tonight. Don't forget to like, share, and follow for more delicious recipes. Get ready for a comforting twist on Italian pasta caramelized Tennessee onion tortellini. A dish that's creamy, savory, and full of southern charm. We start with sweet Tennessee onions, slowly caramelized to golden perfection. This step brings out their natural sweetness and deep, rich flavor. Next, the onions are paired with tender cheese-filled tortellini, creating the perfect balance between creamy pasta and sweet, savory onions. A light sauce of butter, garlic, and herbs ties everything together. while a sprinkle of Parmesan adds that irresistible cheesy finish. Garnish with fresh parsley, a touch of black pepper, and you've got a restaurant-worthy meal right at home. This caramelized Tennessee onion tortellini is quick, comforting, and guaranteed to impress. Perfect for weeknight dinners or a special cozy night in. Looking for a fresh, flavorful dinner that's ready in no time? Try this fresh tomato shrimp pasta. Light, vibrant, and oh so delicious. All you need are juicy ripe tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, spaghetti, and plump shrimp. Simple ingredients that pack big flavor. Sear your shrimp in a hot skillet with olive oil until pink and tender. Remove and set aside. In the same pan, sauté garlic, then add chopped fresh tomatoes. Let them simmer into a rustic, rich sauce. Toss in your cooked pasta, a splash of pasta water, and let it soak up all that tomato goodness. Add back the shrimp, sprinkle fresh basil, and a touch of Parmesan for the perfect finish. Fresh tomato shrimp pasta, a quick, healthy, and mouth-watering dish you'll want to make again and again. Would you try this tonight?